When is it going to be enough? Racism at work. There's a doctor, black intern doctor, who got sick. And this is something that happened last week, I think. He got sick, he was diagnosed with something. His boss, specialist, an Indian lady, said to him, "You've taken more days. I expect you to be at work." As sick as he was, "I expect you to be at work. You cannot take more days." The guy came back to work. As sick as he was, he fainted 2 times in Sebenzini. But still, the specialist threatened him, if you don't come back to work, 1, 2, 3 is going to happen. The guy was scared, he came back to work. Guess what happened? He passed away. He lost his life. A very young guy. Exactly what I said. I'll ngizofaka ilokhunja la isithombe se-conversation between the guy and the consultant, and you'll just see ukuthi consultant uphendule wathini. The whole point of that video, it was to raise awareness of racism in the workplace. I worked MSHN. I did my 2 years of internship MSHN, and I know this very doctor, okhulunywa ngaye. I know how they are. I know how PITS department can be toxic. But for you to come here and insult me like this, I do not think ukuthi, I don't know, the way you respond, I don't know, maybe this is how you speak, and the whole point of this video was to raise awareness to racism. It was not to, guys, if you listen to the whole video, I'm not even coming here and saying, guys, no, that's not the, okay, if you feel like you can tell the story better than I can, you can go ahead, but I think next time you can find a better way to speak.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to smash the like button. Kunabhodi lotrenda kulushiye emhlabeni itolo ligama lakhe Dr. Mazwi Luthando bekasebenza lapha ePrince Mshiyeni Hospital. So ugulile nema kagula wa reporter kumphathi wakhe ukuthi he won't be able to make it to work since uphathekile. Umphathi wakhe wamphendula wamtshela ukuthi kufuneka report emsebenzini futhi akasana malanga imali yefu akabuya nje ogulele emsebenzini ufuna kumbona asemsebenzini. Kuthiwa ufikile bhuti webantu wadidonsa waye emsebenzini and he fainted 2 times while he was at work because he was very sick. Makacetha kufainta guys vele kwaba right wagcina sekashona. Wagcina wangasafeynti washonela emsebenzini because his boss said ukuthi umfuna emsebenzini ngisho noma gula. So we are trend guys ngendlela lesimanga. People are saying ukuthi they want justice for Dr. Mazwi because iboss yakhe ngiyile igcina yenda ukuthi alahlekelwe impilo yakhe imforced ukuthi abe semsebenzini ngisho noma agula. Iya trend iPrince Mshiyeni Hospital nginqa ayalesento lesendakale lapha emsebenzini because umfostela njani umuntu agula kokuthi aye emsebenzini. Umuntu yambona so liyafainta emsebenzini because he's not well, but when umfuna emsebenzini just because we are saying ukuthi akasana malanga leave. So people are saying ukuthi they want justice for lo dokotela. Guys, this is so sad. This is so sad ukubona nje ukuthi baphathe abanede inhlitiyo letimbi angaleli hlobo ukuthi umuntu ngisho agula wena ufuna ukuthi ayogulela emsebenzini, like really. So people are saying ukuthi nje akaboshwe nje lo mphathi lo, ayikho nje into labantu ekhuluma naye bamfuna behind bars because lento la indile ayibhlungu futhi yibi kakhulu. May his soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.